Hi, this is a project demonstration of 4 source power supply. So here is a complete kit which you will get inside a box. Let me just reset the microcontroller. You can see 4 source power supplies written over here. Currently the 3 different sources are available over here. There is a GSM facility as well. So you can see currently it is powered by this battery, that means the solar supply. So that's why this first relay is on and the load is also on. Now if I remove this battery, that means solar supply, you can see immediately it shift to the mains supply and it is displayed over here powered by mains because the mains is on. Now let me just turn off the mains supply as well. So if I turn off the mains supply, you can see the relay got shift to directly the fourth one, that is generator, because the third one is not available. So this is generator, this is inverter. So you can see powered by generator. And if I turn off the source for generator as well, you can see all 4 sources are off, all relays are off, no supply is available, and GSM will also send an SMS. Load is also off. Now if any power supply comes, let's say the solar comes back, okay, then it will immediately turn on the relay and it will say power by solar. So this is how this project works. This project can send you the notification on SMS on mobile about the which relay is on or which power supply is available. Now the solar is a natural source, so it has a very high priority. So if I turn on the supply for generator, so you can see generator is available, but still the load is taking power from the solar only. So you can see powered by solar. But if I turn off this source of solar, you can see it is shifted to generator because generator is available. So the purpose of the project is to provide the uninterrupted supply to the load from any of the available 4 sources. So this is for solar, this is for mains, this is for inverter, and this is for generator. So now let's see, the mains has a higher priority than generator. So if I turn on the supply for mains, you can see immediately the relay got switched from generator to mains and it is shown over here powered by mains. But if the supply for mains fails, you can see relay shifts to generator. So this is how the project works, and if all the supply fails, it will give immediate indication no supply is available and it will send you an SMS alert on the mobile phone. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.